Hi, I'm Altasciences.
And I'm a Standard CRO.
Happy New Year, Stan.
Happy New Year.
Ready to share your vision board?
You betcha. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da!
Oh, Stan, that's just a picture of you?
It is. Because the standard way is the best way. No changes needed.
But the whole point of a vision board is to aspire to new things, to become a better version of yourself.
Okay. Well, so what's on your vision board?
Let's see. Partnering with clients earlier in the drug development pipeline, exploring new technologies, and expanding our facilities and services.
Huh. Okay. Oh, I see where you're going. Oh, yeah. Ta-da!
Oh, that's a good first step.
This feels right. A new era of Stan on the horizon.
Whoa, watch out. New year, new you. And maybe you'll even work on some bigger changes than just the color of your tie.
Whoa, hold your horses. I think I've innovated enough for 1 year. Wow. Hi, I'm Stan. I'm Stan. Oh, no, I am not ready for this yet.